Presenting you, our young creative, Bhavya Irikuvanshi and Shaurya Singh Chow in Class 7. On TV9 News Channel, reporting FRO Knowledge Valley School.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I am Bhavya Irikuvanshi and my partner is Shaurya Singh Chow. We are from TV9 News Channel and we are reporting from Knowledge Valley School at Rajwada. At first, we can talk about political development. Process to Shaurya.
Parliamentary season. The Indian Parliament has been active with the discussion on several key issues, including economic reforms, education policy, and environmental regulations. Debates have centered on the purpose changes to the national education policy and measures to combat climate change. State election process to Bhaveraj.
Several states have been preparing for oncoming election with political parties ramping up their campaign and strategies. Key issues in the election including local development, unemployment, and public health. Now we can talk about economic news. Process to Shaurya.
Economic growth. The latest economic reports indicate steady growth in India's GDP. Third, challenges remain particularly regarding inflation and unemployment. The government has announced new initiatives to boost the manufacturing sector and attract foreign investment. Monsoon impact. Process to Bhaveraj.
The monsoon season has had various effects across the country, with some regions experiencing heavy rain leading to flooding, while others have faced through conditions. This has impacted agriculture and local economy. Now we can talk about social and cultural updates. Process to Shaurya.
Education reforms. The Ministry of Education has introduced new reforms aimed at improving educational standards and accessibility. This includes adjustments to the curriculum and increased the funding for schools in underdeveloped regions. Cultural events. Process to Bhaveraj.
India has seen a range of cultural festivals and events showing its rich scale and diversity. Notable events including tradition dance festival and art exhibition. Now we can talk about health and environment. Process to Shaurya.
Public health. The health sector continues to address challenges related to disease management and healthcare infrastructure. There have been ongoing efforts to enhance vaccination coverage and improve public health service. Environmental issues. Process to Bhaveraj.
The government has launched a new initiative to address air pollution and process renewable energy. Recent report highlighted both success and ongoing challenges in environment conservation. Now we can talk about security and defense systems. Process to Shaurya.
Border issues. There have been discussions regarding national security and border management, particularly in regions with ongoing territory disputes. The government is focusing on strengthening security measures and diplomatic efforts to address the issues. Technology and innovation. Process to Bhaveraj.
Tech advance. India has seen advancement in technology and innovation with new startups emerging and significant investment in the tech sector. Key area of focus including artificial intelligence, fintech, and digital infrastructure. Process to Shaurya.
Games news. The dreams is alive. India ready to Olympics. India Olympics ambition takes shape. Second, limelight victory. Alcaraz extends streak. Raducanu falls. Evans breaks record. Sinner overcomes setback. Naomi surprise shoot powers Ostapenko. National news. Process to Bhaveraj.
Haryana Assembly election. Aam Aadmi Party realized first lead of 20 candidates as no hardway in alliance talk with Congress. Madhya Pradesh Congress to begin Krishna Nyaya Yatra from September 10. Now state news. Process to Shaurya.
2 minor boys killed by lightning in MP. Second, stone painting at Ganesh processing in MP Ratlam security stepped up. Third, Madhya Pradesh train derailment. 2 coaches of Indore-Jabalpur express train detail. No passengers injured. World news. Process to Bhaveraj.
Protest held across 25 countries over Kolkata rape cases. Sincere candidate team support for winning US Open amidst doping controversy. That's today's news for you. Thank you all of you.